Thermorock presents hybrid construction procedure using Thermorock SIP panels on a structural steel frame, curtain wall system. Vertical development. Hybrid construction on a steel structural frame. Sealant application. Apply polyurethane sealant along the underside of the base track prior to fastening. This helps prevent water infiltration and corrosion. Steel track installation. Install the base track continuously along the full wall run. When securing the track, allow for the necessary clearance based on the thickness of the fiber cement or MGO board to be used, ensuring proper panel placement. Anchoring. Fasten the base track to the foundation slab using nails for nail gun with washers at 30 cm, 12 inches intervals. Fastening. Secure SIP panels with screws spaced every 20 cm, 8 inch, as shown in the image. First wall section. Always determine the most suitable starting point according to the panel layout and modular alignment before installing the first panel. Metal connector assembly. Install the first extended H metal connector to allow vertical continuity and to receive the upper panel as part of the curtain wall configuration. L metal brackets, L brackets. During panel installation, weld a steel bracket to the main steel structure, while the opposite side is screwed into the H metal connector. Note: gauge, dimensions, and screw specifications must follow structural calculations and engineering recommendations. Corners. At corners, install the corresponding metal reinforcements before fastening the SIP panels. Corner sealing. For exterior corners, apply sealant to prevent moisture intrusion. Structural brackets. As illustrated, metal angle brackets, L brackets, function as structural clips, connecting the building's primary steel frame to the Thermorock system. Upper H metal connector installation. Install an H metal connector at the top of the panel to maintain modular continuity and complete the curtain wall detail. Panel wall, upper level continuation. Continue the modular layout on the second level by installing SIP panels over the H metal connectors to extend vertically, forming the curtain wall system. Curtain wall detail. Metal bracket, L brackets, welded to the beam and screwed to the H metal connector. Base track secured with nail gun nails. Reinforced extended H metal connector with 20 or 22 gauge U metal connector, fixed using hex head screws. Upper H metal connector installed to receive panel extension. Thermorock, helping people and the environment.